guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a cool toned fall makeup tutorial. I looked 4 times to find eyeshadow palettes drugstore eyeshadow palettes that had cool tones in them for 2 different videos that I'm planning to do this winter, and I could not find it anywhere. But then I found this. Actually, I went to Winco Foods, but you can find it at Dollar Tree. This is the LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Matto Rama, something like that. And I know these aren't going to be the craziest pigmented palettes in the whole world, but I've used these before. But yeah, so I'm just going to be using this little palette for my eyeshadow today. I thought that I would do a talk through video because I haven't done that in a very long time. So I got my hot cocoa here and my gray sweater. I thought it would be kind of cute to wear in this video. I got my gray background back there and my blue blanket. I got so many of these. I'm so excited. I got so many of these little backdrops for Christmas, Valentine's Day. I've got so much planned. So yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Let's just get started. So I think I'm gonna mostly just kind of run through things, but I'm using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation, I've been in love with this Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I've got lots of fall vibes right now. I have it's very rainy outside. This is like a rainy inspired fall makeup tutorial. Trying to be in frame as much as I can. I actually have a little mirror behind my camera, so every time I go and like go on this side and look, that's because I have a mirror back there so I can see what I'm doing, because I don't have a camera with like a flip screen. Just blabbering on in this video. Just telling y'all everything. I got a new e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer because I love this stuff. And I'm just really excited and ready for this. And I really hope that it brings in some new people in our crew. My Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Now it looks perfect. So, gotta try and remember to sit back and be in frame so that you guys can see what I'm doing. That's kind of the point. I found my Real Techniques powder brush that I've had for, what, 3 years now? 4 years? 5 years? Yeah, I should probably get a new one, but whatever. I was so young then. I was in my old bedroom using my phone as a camera. I've come pretty far, but I haven't really grown that much, which I'm kind of upset about. But I'm trying, and it's really hard because you get lost in the sea of videos on YouTube. And the only cool toned contour that I have is this I Heart Revolution Bronze and Glow palette. It's so pretty, and I love it. And this contour color is really nice. Always using this Morphe M523 brush. This is the L'Oreal True Match blush in the shade C1 Baby Blossom, and it's the Cool line. Just use my Wet n Wild brush from Dollar Tree. Put it on my cheeks, give me that rosy effect. Hello. He just showed up to ruin our party. Hello. I love you. Ma. My Essence. I must have eyeshadow singles. It's in the shade Snowflake. They're these for highlight for fair skin tones. And it's so beautiful. Look at that. Bring it back for winter time. I used to use this a lot. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm going to use my LA Colors Brow Tint. This is another Dollar Tree product. So now I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. This is going to really make our eyeshadows pop. Okay, so I'm gonna start on my eyes now. I just went and did this eye off camera to really see what I was going for. So I just realized the entire, basically this entire eye look is almost completely drugstore, except for the thing I used to make the eyeshadows pop. But you could probably use a foundation from Dollar Tree. So I'm using the Wet n Wild crease brush, going right in with the gray color right here. Start off, because you have that sticky base, you don't want your eyeshadow to look choppy. So you're just gonna want to go from the outer corner and start pressing all in the crease, like where you would be blending in the crease. Don't blend, just pat it. And I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild flat brush. I don't really know what this is called. I'm sorry, it's just a really tiny brush. And I'm gonna take the white in this palette, and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with a little bit smaller of a brush. I'm gonna go in with the black right here. And I'm gonna go back with the gray and the brush we started with and just blend it out. And just keep doing that until you have the right amount of depth that you want and the right amount of blend. Go in with that same brush again, and I'm going to use the gray color, and I'm going to press that on the eyelid right in the center with the white, and press that on the inner portion. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that with my finger. I find this helps a little bit to get a little bit more pigmentation out. Now for lips, I'm going to use, this is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Nudie Patootie. Oh, nope. We're not done yet. I knew I was forgetting something. So this is the completed makeup tutorial right here. This is the Cool Tone Rain Fall makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.